Hey guys, my name is Mika, and today I'm going to be unboxing this really cool, whimsical, fairy, crazy felted skirt. It was made by Filz Accessoires on Etsy, and it's going to go around my green pants at Renfest. But from the pictures that I saw of it, it looks freaking cool. I've been eyeballing this piece for probably over a year, and then one day I was like, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and get it. And then the next day, before I actually bought it, she made it on sale. So I was like, yes, snagging it. So here's the box. It came from Germany and it took a really long time to get here. But I don't blame the artist because she shipped it after like a day after I bought it. So it was the shipping company's fault, either the German company or USPS. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into it. So I'm pulling this out. Came wrapped in this black tissue paper. Here we go. It's all packaged inside of here. I'm hoping this is gonna look as good as I think it will. Before I was using a scarf and freaky fabric around my waist, underneath my belt, on top of my pants. But I felt like it needed something just a little bit more, something a bit more of a statement. I hope it's not too big on me, because it does seem kind of big. Oh my god. Okay. So, this is a lot. Look at all of this craziness. Now, when I say crazy, that's a good thing. There's a lot to this. Nice and soft. It's like the folk owl felt. So yeah, this is a skirt. It wraps around your waist. God, how am I gonna do this? I might have to wrap it around like multiple times. I didn't know that it was gonna come like disconnected like this. We'll see how I'm supposed to put it on. And it comes with this belt that's actually like a flower vine. Wow. I don't even know where to begin with this piece. So I like this because this section kind of looks like that armor. I don't know what that armor's called, but that armor that hangs down your leg, but it's felt, obviously. We have these really pretty flowers. I'm gonna kind of open them up a little bit. Everything gets folded when you package it. And you have this wool here that looks like fur. And then I love how you have, okay, this is too big for me to show you. You have this like brown and red fabric underneath this green, like sporadic, viney looking texture, I guess. This fabric is really pretty. And then on the back, it has like a big fat leaf on it. Yeah, let me try to put this on. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna fold it over like this. Let's see. I'll take this out. I'm probably gonna have to pin this. And then loop this belt through here. Like that, I think. This is so crazy. Holy crap. Yeah, I'll definitely pin this or something. But once I tie the belt thing around, it fits. This is crazy. I don't keep saying that. Yeah, I definitely think this is a win. This is really cool. I might do a little adjusting, especially like these. I might kind of pin to the side a little bit so it's not like right in the middle. Maybe like right here or something. And I'm going to need to figure out where to put my actual belt. I might just take this belt off completely. Well, let me just go ahead and try it. Okay, let's see what we have here. Y'all, my costume has so many pieces, so many layers. It's crazy. Alright, that could work. I might adjust the placement of the flowers. Well, this is definitely a statement if I've ever seen one. I'm really curious as to see what this will look like with my whole costume, with everything on my belt and everything that I wear. This is insane. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. And just so y'all know, she doesn't make anything else like this. She does make other felted stuff, but it's not the same kind of style as this. It's not necessarily like fairy style. That doesn't mean that she can't make you this again or something like it, but you just have to ask her because she's no longer selling this. I love this piece. I felt like it deserved its own video, its own unboxing video, because of how crazy and magnificent it is. And I think it just adds this really nice layer of texture, or should I say many layers of texture over my pants. And I'm actually gonna wear my bodice's flap over it, but I won't do it for now, just to show you what this skirt looks like. Okay, guys, I love this piece. I adore it. She did a great job on it. Filz Accessoires, link will be in the description. But there's so much detailing in this. There's so much character to it. I love how this side kind of looks like armor, like fairy armor. And then you have this gray wool that looks like fur, and these flowers. These flowers are pretty. And then this part right here is my favorite part. I love this green like overlay thing with this beautiful fabric underneath, and these random like patches like this. It's so good. I admire the creativity that went into this. Like, how did you come up with this? Like, how do you sit there and imagine a piece like this? And in case you were wondering, this is what the inside looks like. It's just like simple. There's nothing going on there. And I love how there's belt loops, although I won't use it with my belt because my belt has those pouches, and those pouches will not fit in that. But I just think it's such a genius design. It's so creative, it's so beautiful, it's so well done. I hope that it lasts throughout the renfest season, because like my 𝐒𝐻𝐴 cowl, it was kind of getting frizzy. I had to like hairspray it and stuff to try to keep the frizz from being tame. I had to like needle felt it into a dread. So I'm hoping that doesn't happen to this part. I'm not worried about the thick parts, but the pieces that look like fur might frizz up like that. So I'll just try to treat it and try to keep it as neat as possible. But you know, at renfest, anything can happen, especially when you're working there. It's so earthy, fairy, elven-like. It's just a beautiful piece, which is why I was eyeballing it for so long. And I was surprised that it was on the market for so freaking long. And I felt like my costume needed it. Like I said, I'm going to make a video of me in my renfest garb, like fully decked out, step by step, showing you all of my pieces. And it'll be like a get ready with me type of video, and I'll describe like the importance of layering and like making your character come to life in a way. So I will show off how I wear this, how the whole piece turns out, but I'm probably gonna wait to do that until we move into our house, which is not long. I mean, we have a month to move out, and we're probably gonna be moving in less than a month. So, and then I gotta set up my whole YouTube space and all that, but it won't be long before I do that video. I don't know what else to say about this piece. It's just fantastic. you'll see more of it in the future. So I guess I'll just wrap it up there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think of this super crazy, amazing, whimsical fairy felted skirt thing. And also let me know what kind of videos you want to see from me. I would really appreciate any kind of suggestions. And I hope to see you in the next video.